Hi, this is David with Cali Vans, and today we're going to show you how to operate the awning and the exterior lights from the control panel right here. First and foremost, you have your battery, your coach battery operation. You can turn it off, which will disconnect all the power in the vehicle, or you can kick it on. You're going to want it on for this function. One thing to keep in mind is when you do operate the awning, the vehicle actually has to be off. If the vehicle is running, the safety feature will kick in, and the awning will not open. To kick open the awning, it's as simple as clicking out once and it will maneuver the awning 100% out. And one thing we can go through while you're doing that is we have two lights here. One right here, which will kick on the light behind this door, which you'll have to have it shut. And then the other one will be the awning light. And the awning light is the light strip right here. Kick that on, and as you can see, the awning light is activated. And then one last thing that we have is the step light. And next to the awning light, you'll see the button right here, and this will activate the lights on the steps so you can see where you're getting into the headlight. And to simply bring the awning back in, instead of the out button, you just simply click in, and it will retract the awning completely.